Hello and welcome to SETI Uncovered. This week in Chapter 1 we will be exploring what is SETI. We will now cross over to science student Aurora Jones, who has a keen interest in the organisation. Hello Aurora, thank you for joining us. So what is SETI?
Thank you, Brenda. Well, SETI, or Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, is a private, non-profit organisation dedicated to scientific research, education and public outreach. Their mission is simple: to explore, understand and explain the origin, nature and prevalence of life in the universe. Founded in 1984, this institute comprises of three centres: the Centre for SETI Research, the Carl Sagan Centre for the Study of Life in the Universe, and the Centre for Education and Public Outreach. I personally believe they are conducting the most profound search in human history, to know our beginnings and our place among the stars.
Thank you, Aurora. We now took to the streets to find out your opinion.
I've seen one before. I have. Did sit, like, seriously, it spoke to me, no joke. Really?
Nah, I don't think there's anything out there. It'd be nice to think of it, but they would have contacted us for shiz by now.
I mean to say, if there's no one else out there, it's a pretty big waste of space.
Oh, they're out there. You just got to be ready, you know. I'm prepared. I got my whole outfit, everything. Take me to your spaceship! I'm ready, you know.
Next we talk to Malcolm Malta, Professor of Astrobiology and the Director of the Centre of Astrobiology at University of New South Wales. Thank you for joining us, Malcolm. So what are your thoughts on SETI?
Well, I think SETI's a very long shot. I think there almost certainly is life out there in the universe, but most probably it's going to be microbial life. SETI's another story. It's the search for extraterrestrial intelligence and looking for an industrial style civilization. Sure, we've got one here, but it took a long time to get to here, probably about 4 billion years of evolution. So I think it's interesting to think about advanced life from other places that might be like the Earth, but I wouldn't spend my money on it.
I hope we've given you a small insight into the inner workings of SETI and what it's all about. Will we ever find ET's home? Are comets and meteorites, in fact, just a different form of communication sent from a distant life form? Or are we essentially really alone? That is what SETI aims to uncover. Tune in next week for Chapter 2 of SETI Uncovered, How to Adopt a Scientist. Thank you for joining us.